I had to come over to my other shop. I forgot some filing tools that I'm going to use on that block in order to get my the bolts to work right. And this here is a standard 50mm stroker crank setup. That's put in there wrong, but I've had a lot of requests on my gear ratios and different things. If you will, if you like anyway, I have there's a few thousand videos over the years, over, I don't know, 10, 12 years. And if you look in the playlists under my channel, you'll find carb videos, stroker crank videos from previous engines that I've done years ago, cylinder videos, belt videos, drive videos, fan videos, how to take apart your clutch videos, all kinds of carburetor videos, things like that, variator racing videos. So if you really want to see what I've done over the years, and it's all free, is go ahead and look at my playlist, video playlist, and you may find something that can help you. And if it does help you, then that's great, because it makes it all worth it. And we continue on Project DIO. Thank you.